Hello everyone, today we are going to create a flat surface. First we want to create a polyline. This will be the shape of my flat surface. Click on the polyline icon and create a polyline by clicking each vertex of the polygon. Here I am creating a simple rectangle using polyline. Next step is to create a feature line using this polyline. For that, click feature line icon and select the option create feature line from object. Then select the polyline we create earlier and press enter. Now in the create feature line dialog box, check the name icon and give a name to the feature line. Here I am giving feature 1 as the name. Then check the array's existing entities and assign elevations. I am leaving the weak points unchecked, hence I am creating a flat surface. Then click OK. In the Assign Elevations dialog box, type the elevation which you want to create the flat surface. Here I am giving 50 meters. Then click OK. Now you can see the feature line is created with 50 meters elevation. Next step is to create the surface. So that we want to click on the surface icon. Then click create surface. In the create surface dialog box, type the name and style for the surface. Here I am giving flat surface as the name and keeping the style as default. Then click OK. Now the surface is created. In the tool space, go to surface, then click definition. Then right click on break line and click add. Give a description to the break line and click OK. Now select the feature line to add as break line. Then click enter. Now you can see the break line is added to the surface. Now turn on the triangles of the surface. Select the surface. We have created a flat surface with 50 meters elevation. Let us check in the object viewer. It is a flat surface. Thank you for watching. Let me know your comments.